It's my belief that artificial intelligence will not replace salespeople in the process of sales. I think that artificial intelligence is already showing us that there's ways in which you can utilize it to make your people more effective, more efficient, and actually more empowered in their role. It's going to take certain aspects of the roles that the sales and marketing team have to do, and they're going to make it so that it happens much quicker, much more efficiently, so that the people that you've hired can do what really only people can do, which is to build those relationships, understand the needs, make sure there's a match between your solution and their problem, and then determine that path forward to partnership to solve that problem. If you're a business owner or a family-run business and you're confused where to start as it relates to artificial intelligence, you know you need to do it, you just don't know where to start, it'd be a great opportunity for us to connect and have that conversation, and I can show you a roadmap of where most organizations start and what that path is on the journey of utilizing artificial intelligence to improve their sales and marketing for their organization.